This is how to change the scale on a meter. First we take the sharp knife and cut the sellotape through the back. Very carefully lever it forwards, hinging it open as we go. Then the scale needs to be levered off with your finger on the scale so you can't damage the pointer. Now occasionally when you take this off you will find white glue marks on here, and they have to be removed because when the illumination is on they show through the scale. So you just scrape them off with the knife very carefully, making sure it doesn't get into the works. Now pop the new scale on. Make sure it's central left and right and there's no overhang in this direction. Now you can probably see the pointer doesn't line up with the scale anymore, so here is a little lever we can adjust with this tool. Make sure you use the tool perpendicular to the axis and adjust it vertically like this so the pointer ends up in the centre of the nought. It's easier to see than on the end line there. Next thing is to glue the scale in with some clear nail varnish. This also glues the case together. Very carefully lever the case back on again. Last thing is to replace the sellotape on the case. And we're finished. Now when you're starting off with the new one, you need to inspect it. Make sure that it's moving freely, not stuck, and the pointer comes back to the zero on the scale every time. There we are, finished.